Hey YouTubers, it's Tony with Mayberry Mini Trucks. Today we have a Honda mini truck that we recently imported. It is a 1995. It is stock number 1595. It is a four-wheel drive, 5-speed with 31,030 miles, and it is $6,800. Let's go ahead and do our walk around. All of our mini trucks are street legal. We are responsible for getting the law passed in North Carolina, making them street legal. All of our mini trucks have a complete servicing. We change the oil with full synthetic 5W30 engine oil. We change the oil filter, the air filter, the front diff, the rear diff, the transfer case, transmission, and we check the brake fluid, the antifreeze, and if it has power steering fluid, we check that also, and windshield washer fluid. The top here looks very straight, very clean. The area of the antenna is intact. A lot of times if you have it extended and you back up, a branch can rip that and break it in half. So you have to be careful about that. The door looks really nice. I do see a very faint shopping cart ding right there, and perhaps one there. Very small though. And the bedside looks very nice. That's your fuel tank right there. Let's look under this bed mat. Looks great. Very, very nice. Bed mats really can be a big plus. Yeah, looks really nice. These do have a bed light, and if you undo these, this folds down, and then you can stack stuff on top of it and still have an area underneath the headache rack to slide stuff in the full length of the bed. The tailgate looks really, really nice. The plastic is in good condition. Even the mud flaps look nice. Tires, they're good. I'll say they're good. Not very good, but good. The passenger side of the truck looks excellent. I think I see a dent up there. Yep. There's an impression there, just like if you took a soccer ball and pushed. Again, not too bad. Let's look at the front. The roof is very nice. Windshield is perfect. Front of the truck, just about, I'd say perfect. Looks really good. Door panel looks good. The passenger seat does have a separation right there where the stitching was or is. I think sometimes they might use a solvent. You can see the same thing happened over there. Picture of the dashboard. And the headliner looks really good. Okay, let's go ahead and take it for a drive. The Honda is all-wheel drive. One thing I recently learned is that you can disengage the front drive on the Honda. There's a control on the front end. You have to get down on the ground, but you can disengage the four-wheel drive. And that is news to me. is not something you can do with the push of a button, but it can be done. So then you would just have rear wheel drive. Not sure why you'd ever want to do that. The Honda has an incredible turn radius. But anyway, just maybe not so useful information. All right, the truck drives fantastic. I mean, let's go ahead and do our little U-turn here. I'm in fourth gear, and we're climbing quite easily, increasing speed. And that's a good sign of compression, engine power. And right now we're going about 45-ish, and the truck drives very, very well. So this is a tight Honda, low miles, very good condition. Nothing about this truck, in my opinion, it has any concerns whatsoever. If you're interested in this truck, give us a call at 336-777-9957. You can also reach us at Mayberry Mini Trucks, sales at mayberryminitrucks.com, and our website is mayberryminitrucks.com. Thanks for watching our video.